Hello traders, and welcome back to our Q's analysis class here again tonight on Thursday, January 24th of 2013. Caroline Lezon here, graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program. So now let's take a look at the Q's daily chart and let's analyze it here to make sure everybody knows what is happening at this moment. Wow! Look at this. Do you remember as we talked about in our previous video about that area of resistance up here, 67.20, and also the high of January 17th, which was at 67.48. And then the very next day, we see that pop and we see the breakout through both areas of resistance. And we do also see a doji forming at resistance. Okay. And also, look at this. This doji was forming with no confirmation on the MACD. We were going higher here on the Qs, but we were not really going higher on the MACD. So that move was not confirmed. That was a little light bulb going off saying that, uh-oh, something is happening. You better watch out and you better be careful. So that is what happened here yesterday. And today we see a big drop below those areas of resistance. So now that 67.20 was acting as a support, we broke through it, we went lower big time, and we are back inside that trading range between the 67.20 and the 66.37 mark. And with this said, look at this. Look what the MACD is doing. The MACD is pointing lower with a negative tick, which is confirming that bearish move that we had here on the markets today. And also the volume, we do see a really big spike in volume, which is another confirmation. That is a pretty good indication of things going bearish. But still, we are inside that trading range. And before we really go bearish, and we are really bearish here, we have to break through the 66.37 mark as well as the low of January 8th, which was a 66.17. If we do ever do that, then we will be in trouble and we could head lower to the 200-day moving average, which you see here in blue, and then the 50-day moving average right below it, and the next area of support down here is 65.10. So watch those areas, key areas of support really carefully tomorrow, as well as that area of resistance up here, 67.20. Keep your eye on those areas because they're really important for you to watch. And also make sure you do look at the MACD and make sure it's confirming everything we see happening on the chart and also the volume. Yeah, so that's all I wanted to talk to you about here today. Happy trading, and I hope to see you back in class again tomorrow.